Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create this clean UI iPhone animation inside CapCut PC. So let's get started. To make this animation we will need a bit of Photoshop. So I have this Photoshop open. I will just simply import my screenshot here and then select this quick object selection tool and then simply make a selection around the icon you want to cut out like this. Wait a few seconds until the icon is generated. Once the icon is cut out, you will simply press Ctrl and J on the keyboard. It will separate this from the layer and our mask will be ready. You have to do the same with all the others until you get this output like this. Now simply export them and import them into CapCut like I have done. Now simply just bring these in the timeline like this. Now simply just place them here and make sure to just keep them one above each other like this one. Once this is done, we will need to just simply arrange them. So I have this screenshot. First there will be Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then these things. So first I will just simply change this Wi-Fi like this, and then I will come our Bluetooth part. So I will just simply get this Wi-Fi icon this and simply bring it here and scale it down like this, then move above, and then the Bluetooth icon I will just simply place it right here and Bluetooth will be here like this. Now once this is done, we will bring this upwards here and it will be looking like this. Simply scale down if you want here, then this one, play music, and we have this one. We will scroll this up and we have this same one. So we have this icon again, and I will just simply bring this icon down right here, place it below this layer, then simply copy this one again, just place it here, and then the last one right here. Once these are placed, we will just simply use scale and keyframe properties to animate them. So let's get started. First we need to animate these two and these two. So I will just simply add a transform keyframe and move this keyframe forward like this. Here our final animation will be 1 or 2 seconds, and at the start I will bring this out of screen like this. Then I will move here and simply go to where the animation ends, and then simply add a transform keyframe here at the start. Move this out of screen as well like this, then move up, and first I will animate this. So where our keyframe ends, I will simply come here and then just, and at the start we will just make it right here. Now I will just select this one and transform keyframe, and then move here, add again transform keyframe right here, and then at the start I will just simply drag it out of the screen like this. Now I will just use again add keyframe, then move to the end part like this and add a keyframe here. Now I will just simply add transform keyframe, and at the start I will just scale it down so it will give us this animation right here. And for this one I will just add the transform keyframe for these two, and then at the start I will bring this down and this. So after adding all the keyframes, our animation will be looking like this. It's looking smooth. I will simply just adjust the scales of these as well, because these are, some are big and some are small. You can also adjust this. So now the important thing is that we will have to smoothen the animation. To do that I will just right click on this and then select cubic out, and then all the layers I will select cubic out. This, so our animation will be looking like this. If you want to add motion blur, you can select all these layer and then create compound clip, then go to effects and search for motion blur, and then simply apply. It will be looking like this. So we need to adjust these values. Make sure to give these values like this and this one. So at last our final look is this. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.